Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Project Pan finale for 2024. Cannot believe we are here. Unfortunately, I don't have a super exciting update. Unfortunately, I didn't enjoy panning as much this year as I have in the past. I am still going to do a Project Pan next year, but I'm just going to tweak it just a little bit to make it a little bit more manageable for me. But I will explain the details to that in my 2025 Project Pan intro. Let's go ahead and start in with my Sonia Kashuk powder. I used this a total of 10 times this month. I used it a total of 71 times in this project, and unfortunately I did not finish it off. I got real close to the end. I feel like I could finish it off, but I'm at a point where I don't want to try to finish it at this point. I want to just take a break from powders just for the time being. I have a feeling I'll come back to this at some point, just not right now. My Charlotte Tilbury blush, I only used it 6 times this month. I was supposed to use it 17 times to finish it off, but 6 times this month, which means I would have 11 uses left until I hit my 50 uses. I would not have hit pan on this, but that's okay. I'm content with the usage I had, and I will go ahead and just roll this out as well. My e.l.f. eyeliner, I used it 4 times this month, so once again, there's not going to be a dent on the paper. I used it a total of 72 times in this project, so you figure 72 more uses would make the progress go more, but those uses were very minute and probably shouldn't have counted as full uses anyway. Once again, I'm content to just roll this out and see and just take a break, and maybe I'll come back to it down the road. My ColourPop lip gloss, I was trying to finish this off. I really didn't use it this much. I only used it 5 times this month, which means I used it 29 times altogether. Again, I'm content where it's at. I would have liked to have finished it off, but this could be a contender to come back eventually. Then we've got my Elemis Superfood. I was hoping to finish this off, but I knew I couldn't quite get there. I've got the mark. I need to mark it again, but I used it 9 times this month, which means I used it 24 times in this project as a whole. Spoiler alert, this will be going into my next year's Project Pan. This will be going into my Project Pan for 2025. This will be my only rollover because I really do want to finish this off. I could probably finish this off by February. Jaclyn highlighter that I turned into an eyeshadow. I used it 4 times this month, which means I used it 9 total times over the course of the last 2 months. I'm not mad at it. I loved it every time I used it. I know this was one of those items that I was thinking I might declutter if I didn't like it, but I did enjoy it, so I will continue to keep it and use it happily. And then the one empty I am finishing off the year with is the Benefit Professional Primer. I have the hydrating primer, and I used it 6 times before I finished it off. I do see myself repurchasing this at some point, but right now I've got a lot of primers that I am enjoying and do want to work through first. But I highly recommend this primer. It really has been one of my favorites. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I look forward to seeing you in the new year, so stay tuned for my 2025 intro. I am excited to do this project yet again.